was just trying to play around with different moves to put together. Anyway, I thought it was mine. I've never seen anyone else do it, but maybe you're doing it, who knows. So, it starts with a bounce and a lift. Bounce and a lift. So it's not pendulum, so that you're bouncing from one leg to the other. It's going to bounce, bounce, lift. Bounce, bounce, lift. Bounce, bounce, lift. Now use the arms as well. Push, push, over. Push, push, over. Now, this is what we call medium intensity. It's not very hard. And it's effective only because I'm using my hands effectively. Otherwise, my arms can do much. This exercise will feel like nothing altogether. So that push across palms is essential. So I call this a level 1. Then I want to move on to level 2. Instead of bounce, it comes across, comes in, bump, bump, over, push, push. Right, level 2 is fantastic. So what happens is, so this is my right leg, this is my left leg. I go right, left, and then lift. Left, right, lift. Right, left, lift. So my leg that's lifted to the side goes in front, and then you switch, and then you go to the side. That leg goes in front, then you switch, and then that leg goes to the side. So when you're teaching this, it's really important you're demonstrating correctly, because it won't make any sense to your clients if you're not teaching this well, but it feels more natural to do it in the water. Okay? So just remember that sometimes some things that feel good to do in the water, you have to really think about doing on land, right? So it's 1, 2, lift, quick, quick, over, bump, bump. Arms, 1, 2, reach. Fingers stay open. Fingers stay open the whole time. Let me show it to you side on. Jumping movement pattern, but it's really good heart rate stuff. Again, the tempo is important, but it's a nice little exercise, and start from the bounce, bounce, lift. Bounce, bounce, lift. That's a good way to begin this exercise, because then the cross-country part is not hard to work out. It sort of comes more naturally. So always doing that sequence and give people the option to go to a more challenging level by adding that cross country. Nice little combination, I hope you like it, and that's this week's aptitude. That new little combination that I demonstrated in the course, a lot of fun. So how do you demonstrate that on land? Well, the first one's not too difficult. So it's bounce, bounce, push, bounce, bounce, push, bounce, bounce, push, bounce, bounce, push. And then you emphasize the arms and that strong push across with both your palms facing this way. One of the things I really recommend instructors to do occasionally is to videotape themselves. It's something we talked about in a recent workshop here in Australia. And one of the things that I often see as a common error is this: push, push, pull, push, push, pull. And the instructors are demonstrating like this, and then saying to their class, bring your shoulders down. I think they're just doing what they see. So a little pointer that I give to myself is I go push, push across the thighs, push, push across the thighs, and that makes sure that my arms are long when I'm demonstrating on land, don't have water. Then we went to level 2, and that was 1, 2, push, 1, 2, push, 1, 2, push, 1, 2, push. And you can demonstrate that without any other piece of equipment. Just remember that the leg that goes to the side goes forward, forward. That front leg goes side, and then goes front again, side, front again, side, front again, side. It's not hard once you get the rhythm and you do a few repetitions, but I always start with the to the side. You can use the Aqua frame for this. So those people that aren't, don't like the impact, frame this way, bounce, bounce, lift, bounce, bounce, lift, 1, 2, lift, 1, 2, lift. And then show the arms after you've demonstrated the legs. Great option for those days where you don't want to tolerate impact or your joints are just not going to cope with the impact. That's this week's Aqua tip.